The book that I'm going to be reviewing today is Hello Ruby: Adventures in Coding, written by Linda Lucas. Linda Lucas is 33 years old. She is a Finnish children's book author, illustrator, and instructor for beginning programmers. In 2014, her Hello Ruby coding book for children raised over $380,000 on Kickstarter, becoming the platform's most highly funded children's book. Linda is the author and illustrator of the children's picture book about the world of computers, as well as the founder of a global movement to teach young women about programming in over 260 cities called Rails Girls. She is also quite known for public speaking. She has a lot of TED Talks. Her talks usually surround the ideas about creativity, education, coding, technology, entrepreneurship, computers, internet, and even artificial intelligence. Hello Ruby: Adventures in Coding is a part of a series, Hello Ruby. I'm going to be talking about Adventures in Coding, but there are other books. The first was the one I'll be discussing. The second was Hello Ruby: Journey Inside the Computer, and the third is Hello Ruby: Expedition to the Internet. The series is suited for children ages 5 and older. The basic concepts of the core of coding programming will be reinforced through fun, playful activities that teachers can present, lesson plans, things through apps, different curriculums, and these will encourage exploration activities and creativity as well. Hello Ruby is the world's way to learn about technology, computer, and coding, especially for young children, because it really promotes curiosity, playfulness, and the use of logic. It provides tools for kids, parents, and educators to learn and understand the programming in a new, fun, and creative way. It aims to promote and evaluate exceptional educational content and computational thinking for children ranging about 4 to 10 years of age. And all across different channels, different multiple intelligences, learning types. Hello Ruby is a very broad spectrum when it comes to the way that the information is presented. Ruby is the main character in this book, and her world is all about imagination and adventure. She's a little girl who makes friends with a snow leopard, penguins, while solving problems. I feel that this book is very beneficial for young children, especially girls and boys. But more so girls. We don't really see girls taking these kind of roles and having these sciencey math type of brains. And I feel like it's very important to show those types of characters to children, especially in early education. It's a half picture book and a half activity book rolled into one. It introduces all of these thinking concepts, coding vocabulary, fun characters. Ruby herself doesn't specifically teach programming languages that older children would need if they were pursuing deeper into programming, but it does introduce the fundamentals of computational thinking that every future kid coder would need. Kids will learn how to break big problems into smaller problems, look for patterns, and create step-by-step plans and things outside of the box. Would I recommend Hello Ruby? I would. I feel that it really promotes the STEM side of education, especially in our younger children and girls. The aspect of Ruby being a girl, I kind of touched on that, but I think having a strong female lead is always important, especially in this kind of job. I don't think we have a lot of girls in things like coding, computers, engineering, things like that. I feel like it's a very fun way to introduce technology and these different programming ideas and strategies to young children. I like that it presents a story while also teaching about these important concepts, and it presents lesson plans, content for teachers to present. It's all full of stories as well as supplemental material that teachers can use to help deepen their lesson plans if this is something that they're already touching on. So I would really recommend this book. I think that's definitely for elementary grade children, K through 5. I think older, it might not be as interesting, but I think it's very, very fun for young children. So yes, I would recommend Hello Ruby.